Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I am very excited. The market is recovering very well. We needed a little chill off, and that was an opportunity for some people to buy the dip. Today I want to talk to you about a couple of charts. I want to look right back at the Bitcoin dominance real quick. I want to talk about one coin that is doing very well today. It's getting on the radar of some bigger YouTubers, and I brought it to you guys on this channel back in October. So I'm really excited about that, and also still excited about some of the things that they're doing, and I want to show you a little bit about that. Also, if you want to get in the giveaway for a cryptocurrency hat, either Ethereum or Bitcoin, I'm going to be doing that when I hit 2,500 subs. I'm about 60 away, so subscribe to the channel and comment on this video and the next videos until I hit that number, and you will be eligible for that giveaway. So first things first, I want to talk about Cura Network. Right now it's up. Let's refresh this real quick. Right now it's up 103 cents to $215. So why is this coin pumping all of a sudden? Well, it got mentioned by Elio Trades earlier today. He talked about it to about 258k subs. Usually when that happens, like, he even mentions it in the video, which I respect him for doing that. He said, hey, look, wait for it to calm down. When I mention these coins, they usually pump. People get excited. They want to get 100x like some of my other coins did. So, you know, it is pretty a good idea to let these things cool off when they get shouted out by people like this, because you could get burned when some of the people start taking profit. I brought you this coin on this channel back in October 28th, and I want to play a little bit of this video and talk to you about the main reason why I was excited about this coin.
So their highlights are earn revenue by staking reward assets.
Okay, so that's it right there. Earn revenue by staking real world assets. That is crazy right there. So tokenized assets to me are going to be something of the future. Tokenized cars, tokenized boats and yachts and houses, and tokenized everything, NFTs, and you're going to be able to stake those on something like Cura Network. So we'll see how this goes, and if they continue to do good and do what they're doing, I think this coin has a lot of potential to make it out of the low cap gem range. So yeah, I brought you this coin back in October. So if you want to be early to stuff like that, subscribe to this channel. Shout out to Elio Trades. Been watching him since he was FUD TV. Next, join the Telegram group. I got a link for that in the description. I'm going to be closing it soon, but we were talking about some pretty cool news in there this morning, and you know, a lot of value is being exchanged in there. You know, coins being called out. I can't look at this whole market by myself, and neither can you. So it's pretty chill. And shout out to Ben the Tank. He shouted out this coin XIA. He's been calling out some good gems lately. Shout out to Mr. D Puppet. He's been calling out some more coins. Shout out to official Satoshi Street Bets. He posted this from Fabian. So the Luxo ICO is finally done. The RICO is finally done, and he said today I can say it's finally worth it. 18 million collected, same as Ethereum back in 2014. Let this be a sign. Now, this is the guy who brought you the standard for ERC20, and every single project is trying to get on his standard. So I think this guy's a genius, and I'm really excited to see what he's working on. And he decided to take his thing in a whole different direction from what Ethereum's doing, capturing the other side of what blockchain could be used for. So I'm excited about that. Coming on down, I know you probably heard MicroStrategy raising 19 million to go ahead and place a Bitcoin bet. That is pretty cool. And one of the things I said BlackRock is buying Bitcoin. Now I think this is huge. Says BlackRock CIO says asset manager giant is dabbling in Bitcoin. Dabbling. You know, they say dabbling when they don't want you to know that they're buying a shit ton, right? They're if you don't know who BlackRock is, go ahead and do some research. Little bit of story on, I'll tell you about BlackRock. When the United States needed somebody to help us out because they said, hey, look, the global economy, United States economy might fall apart, because, damn, breaking news, another one. Altcoin Buzz did a video on Rose. So I brought you guys Rose on this channel a long time ago. So I'm excited when people start catching on, because it's more eyes, more followers, more subscribers, more believers in projects like Rose and Kex. So, man, but let me mute this. Join the Telegram group. We've been talking about these projects for a minute. So back to what I was saying. Where was I? So when the United States needed somebody to help manage this money that they were going to print for the stimulus package and where to put it, they changed a bunch of laws and all this stuff. They did a bunch of stuff, but basically, long story short, in a roundabout way, they're going to pump the market, put it that way. And that's what's been happening since coronavirus hit. You know, nobody was able to go anywhere. Nobody was able to do anything. And like companies like Amazon and DoorDash and stuff like that, of course, those are going to pop off. But when you've seen other companies who can't even open their doors, prices going up, it was just a ridiculous time in the market. And that's because, yeah, that type of stuff. Check out Chico Crypto's video on BlackRock. But yeah, they're dabbling in Bitcoin. So the United States, the people that they hired as their asset manager, Obama, Trump, and now Biden, is dabbling in Bitcoin. Great stuff for Bitcoin. Let's see. And then last, I wanted to talk about this. So new Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and UBS and other major brokerages have brought the first exchange traded product that offers exposure to Polkadot's cryptocurrency for clients. Congratulations to Polkadot. Now, it's about to be Polkadot season, in my opinion, because they got the parachains going on. Polkadot and Kasama season, they've both been popping off. You know, everybody's talking about Polkadot. We've been talking about it since it was less than $10. It's already at $30 now. And of course, Polkadot has room for growth as more things start happening, and as more of these, as more of the network is continuing to be built, we're seeing good things happen in a lot of these cryptocurrencies, but mainly ones like Polkadot, Ethereum, Cosmos, Cardano. You know, these are coins that have been building for a long time, and they're finally, you know, getting up and running. So expect upside from those. So Bitcoin dominance is doing exactly what I thought it would. Get rejected right here on this line. Let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, getting rejected right there on that line where I felt like it should be getting rejected at. Hopefully it continues to come back down, but it could cross it and continue up. So if it crosses it and continues up, altcoins dump again. If it goes back down, more jumpage, pumpage in the altcoins. Like if this thing goes down right here, oh yeah, if it starts to break down, ooh, we about to have a good time in these altcoins. We're going to continue to have a good time in these altcoins. Looking at the Rose chart, this is the next thing I want to look at. So this thing is just pumping away. You know, it's steadily having growth. It's gone parabolic like a lot of the other coins, and I still feel like there's a lot more room for this to grow. I forgot to mention this, but I wanted to bring it up right here before I get out of here. Cura Network and Binance Smart Chain integration. So Cura is going to be able to, it's going to be integrated with Binance Smart Chain using, you know, thanks to Cosmos, and that's another reason why I'm big on Cosmos. So I'm going to put all this in the description if you want to read up on it. I just wanted to bring you through the news to let you know that, hey, if you're into any of these coins, they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. They're working. You know, we're having some good news going on in the overall market. So let me know what you guys think, what you guys are feeling in the long run. like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, get in the giveaway for the hat, comment on this video. Till next time, peace.